How do you convert to text multiple pages? This is how. Let's use our quick sheets example. Let's go to grid view. Here we have 4 pages. There's text written on each one. We're going to ask the reMarkable to convert all 4 pages. So how do we select? We press and hold, press and hold, press and hold, press and hold. All 4 pages are now selected. These are the options you have with the pages you've selected. Delete, duplicate, move, send, convert to text, tag. So we want to convert to text. I should have put my pen down just out of habit. You can see down the bottom here, converting to text. I can cancel it if I want. I can wait. The progress bar shows you how it's going. And what it's going to do is it's going to convert all this text and pop it onto a page, this page. So when we tap that page more than once, sometimes you have to tap it several times. And again, there we go. 4th time is the charm. Here it is, the page. You can scroll down, scroll up. Come on. Sometimes it doesn't want to work. I have found the lighter you press, the more effective for my machine. Everybody's machine is different. But as you can see, it's taken, I'm going to go back to grid view. It's taken all 4 pages and converted it into that 1 page of text, which is pretty cool. And so go back, go out of there, and we're back here. That's the document we were working on. Again, I've got it selected to show the first page. The device is now syncing and it's all done. That's how you convert multiple pages to text.